Whoa.
So it's 1 week out before my trip to Japan, and we're taking the Extreme 13 out.
I ain't do no front, get my money on the back end.
Gotta keep gassing it.
Yesterday's price ain't today, now we taxing. Way out the field, ain't no way out for me to.
This sounds so rough.
And we have Kashad around the wheel. We're about to go and have some fun. And we're doing the first video shoot for 2024.
In the new car.
Feet 5'4", nothing to a giant. Waited my turn, call it perfect time and trust the most high. Got the stars aligning, I was tapped in. I've been strategizing, dreams coming true. I've been fantasizing while you criticize. Pay attention to the signs, symbolize. Feel like a legend, they go idolize. Ay, I'm a hero, wear my cape.